Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing how to make a milk peel off mask at home. This face mask is super amazing. Milk is usually used to remove any kind of acne scars, pigmentation or any color on the face, and the result is also really nice. It gives a very smooth soft skin. This peel off mask is also used for removing the tan and it works amazingly. I myself have used it to remove tan and everything, and this is a super safe ingredient. Milk can be used on all skin types. It is super safe. You do not have to be scared using it. It will not do any harm to your skin. Usually you must have seen people making this peel off mask using gelatin. So all they do is take little milk and add gelatin to it and then apply the mixture on the face, and when it dries they just peel it off. But I'm not going to do so because I don't know about gelatin, as in um I don't know if it will suit my skin or not, so I don't want to have any reaction on my face, so I'm not going to use gelatin. So all you need for this video is a bowl, milk, tissue papers and a brush to apply the mixture. So the milk can be in any form. It can be the normal milk that comes in your house, or it can be in powder form. You can add water to it and make the milk, and yeah, so any kind of milk. I'm taking the normal milk that we get in the house. You have to take the normal tissues that you get in the market, like these normal tissues, but these are usually doubled, so you just have to separate them, and we want these thin single tissues. And all we have to do to make this peel off mask is that you take the brush, you apply the milk all over your face, then you take those single tissues and apply them on the face, and then again with the brush you apply the milk. Then you just have to wait till everything is completely dry. Tissues will also dry with the milk, and when everything is completely dry you just have to peel off the tissue, and that's the peel off mask that we're going to make. You might just want to keep a towel or something with you because this is going to be super messy. Don't go too close to the eyes because that is a really sensitive area. Okay, so now we just have to wait till it dries. If you've applied a very thick layer, then obviously it will take time to dry. But if you've applied a really thin layer, then it should take much less time to dry. Okay, so it has been 25 to 30 minutes since I've applied this, and now it is quite dry. So now I'm just gonna peel it off. So that's it. You can notice how my skin is kind of glowing, and it is really okay. It is really smooth and really soft to touch right now. Obviously you will have to, wash it with water once, because you still have that milk product that it's a bit sticky, so you will have to wash it. But otherwise it feels really smooth, really soft, and the mask was cold, so it was really soothing for the skin. So trust me guys, this pack is really nice. It is super safe because all we use is milk and tissue, no other product. It is super safe, and it's going to be amazing for all skin types. Oh, it can also be used to remove any blackheads or any whiteheads that you have on your face. Do try it out. This is really nice. This is really useful. It will definitely remove your acne scars or any other scars or pigmentation, and also your tan within a week. If you just do it every day for maybe a week or so, you will definitely see an amazing result. So just do try this out. And that'll be all for today's video. I hope that you guys had a good time watching it and that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.